The UP police investigation in the Hathras case has also unearthed a PFI link, which I just mentioned. 4 PFI members were arrested near Mathura yesterday. Cops claim that suspicious literature that could have fanned caste and communal tension was also recovered from them. The UP government is also demanding a ban now on the radical organization. The question is, why hasn't the PFI been banned till now?
The Uttar Pradesh government is now probing the role of the radical group Popular Front of India in connection with the Hathras case. 4 people with alleged links to the PFI have been arrested for links to the Hathras conspiracy. Police claim that PFI member Masood Ahmed, who studies law at Jamia University in Delhi, is the mastermind and conspired to create caste unrest and clashes in Uttar Pradesh. Siddiq Kappan, a Delhi-based journalist working for a Malayalam news portal, is also among the 4 arrested. The 2 others are Atikur Rahman of Muzaffarnagar and Alam of Rampur. The UP police says that the 4 were taken into custody at Mathura's Math Toll Plaza during checking of vehicles after a tip-off. Mobile phones, laptop and some suspicious literature which could fuel unrest was seized from the group. During questioning, the 4 have admitted their links to the Popular Front of India and associate organisation Campus Front of India. With a PFI link now emerging, the UP government is demanding a ban on the organisation.
भारत सरकार से मांग करेंगे कि इस संस्था को भी जांच करके इनके लोग जो दोषी लोग हों उनके खिलाफ कठोर कार्रवाई करते हुए इस संस्था को भी आतंकी संगठन की तरह बैन किया जाना चाहिए। इसको भी डिक्लेयर किया जाना चाहिए कि पीएफआई भी हमारे देश में आतंकी संगठन है, क्योंकि उसके जो कृत्य निकल कर आ रहे हैं, जो उसके प्रमाण निकल कर आ रहे हैं, वो साफ इस तरफ संकेत कर रहे हैं कि देश में आतंकवाद फैलाने के लिए ये संस्था बनाई गई।
The Uttar Pradesh government says that the Hathras case was an international conspiracy plotted to defame the state. It has told the Supreme Court that a deliberate attempt is being made to incite caste and communal violence over Hathras.
एमनेस्टी इंटरनेशनल जैसे संगठनों के माध्यम से, विदेशी फंडिंग के माध्यम से कैसे कैसे लोग, राजनीतिक दलों के लोग, विभिन्न संगठनों के लोग किस तरीके से दंगा कराने पे उतारू थे, यह दृश्य आपने देखा होगा। पिछले 1 सप्ताह से आप देख रहे होंगे कैसे माहौल को खराब करने का प्रयास हो रहा है। ये षड्यंत्र होते रहेंगे, लेकिन हमें आगे बढ़ना है।
The Enforcement Directorate is investigating the role of Popular Front of India in the Hathras case. The sources in the agency claims that Enforcement Directorate has started investigation whether the PFI members who were inquired during the Delhi riots are involved in funding and spreading the propaganda in Hathras case. Reporting at Ground Zero in Hathras, this is Shakil Disachitosh Mishra, reporting for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.